everybody, ElderFox7337 here, and today I'm just going to be announcing something, so you should probably watch because I'm doing a giveaway today. So I thought, a giveaway tomorrow. So anyways, it'll be really fun and everything. Let's just have a seat first, because I'm eating biscuits at the moment. I'm so sorry about this, guys. But yeah. We've sat down, and let's tell you. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. So for 10 subscribers, I'll give away some jelly glanlets for round 2, which is 20 subscribers. Jelly tail, I mean. Round 30 subscribers, will win this. 40 subscribers will win a reindeer and like a thing they want from like the shop or things. And then round 5, which is 50 subscribers, and round 4 was 40 subscribers. Round 50, you're gonna win, what was it again? I think the rare fairy wings, and you'll get to choose 2 things from the shop that you really like. And I'll get it for you. It can be expensive, any price I'm fine with. Cause like, I'm gonna redeem so many codes today, I'll have a lot of coins. So anyways, next is, then for 60 subscribers I'll do, and then for the rest, 60 subscribers, 70 subscribers, 80 subscribers, 90 subscribers, and 100 subscribers, I'll do something different. And by the way, I'll make it fair with this wheel. So I'll put in your name, I don't know, let's put in my name. Then I'll put in another person's name. And then I'll do another person's name. And keep going and going and going and going until everybody's there, and yeah. So watch, and I would click apply changes when I put all the names down. I would go to this, spin it, and see, ElderFox. Well, I've just used my normal account, so if I imagine that was you, you would win. So yeah. Sorry. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna be doing for them rounds. If you don't like what you've got, I would do extras as well, like this rainbow skirt. It's really cute, I think. And like a few other things for like non-members and stuff. Like if like I don't give much non-members things, I'll be giving a few away because like I feel bad for the non-members out there who don't win any giveaways. So. Anyways, I have some rules. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking, oh, are they boring rules? Well, like, well, if you do disobey the rules, you may have to be kicked from the den. I'm very, very sorry. If you do it up to 2 times maximum. That's all. Hey, I'm not gonna be scamming, because, if you remember, I'll just like gift it to you. But if you're a non-member, then I will ask you to put a bad on trade, and then I'll trade for the bad thing. So yeah, that'll be quite good. We're getting the party den on. I don't have a party den. Let's see what dens there are. Anyways, I'm gonna get a like groovy den that gives you like happy feeling vibes. So maybe this one. Everybody loves water parks, but we need to be able. I'll just do this small house for it. Right now it's an adoption center. Kind of weird, but nah. I like wood, I guess, because I am weird, I think. Am I? I don't know, I think I am. Anyways.
No, that was. Really was.
As long as it cheats you out time.
It's not finished. It's not finished yet. It's still fighting for somebody's life.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Get the dance floor on. So everybody come boogie and like dance around and have a good time. If you want to chill on a book, on a book sofa, have like a stool there and everything. It'll be really, really good. And you can read a giant storybook. There we go. And yeah, I know if you're thinking, oh, she's probably gonna be scary. Well, I am going to put, I'm live streaming giveaway my den, so you'll know. I'll be like live streaming giveaway my den, and yeah. So do not assume, oh, you're probably a scammer. But I'm not. I would never do that in my life. It's horrible when it happens, very horrible. I mean, it's happened to me before, and that did not go out well. I cried. And this person before pranked me that they were going to scare me. I gave them something and they thought, prank time. And I was like, how could this happen to me? Anyways, I think this is a good party then. Anyways, should I get on with the rules? I'm getting distracted now. So, my rules are, rule number 1, no cursing or mean. Number 2, be like, well, don't get like moody or upset that like if you don't win anything. Well, because you all get the same percentage as everybody else. So, if you win or not, it's fine. Anyways, and I'm gonna be doing a mini giveaway. So, like before I live stream, and I'm gonna tell everybody at that live stream. Anyways, at that place. So, number 3, I think it is. Yeah, number 3. If you do not win anything, I will be given like extra. So, like if you don't win anything, I'll just like keep collecting it for a few other things. So maybe I think I'll give away these 2 palm trees. Well, the coconut tree and this tree. If you really want them, well, you should probably come and trade me. Why am I laughing about that? I have no clue. Anyways, I think we should add some fruit. I want everybody to be happy. I mean, I don't want people sad. I mean, yeah. I'm so sorry if you do not win. I'm so sorry. I mean, it's not my fault. It's just the spinner chooses randomly. Now people can buy food at my giveaway. They can't buy it just for role playing while you wait if you want to. Maybe, I don't know, you might want fruit. I'm stupid. That's good. Anyway, rule 4, I think. Rule 4 is, like, please, well, to be entered, please, subscribe to my channel. Hang on, let me find it. What the heck? Subscribe to my channel. I'm sure I changed my channel picture. There we go. Subscribe to my channel. Press the notifications. subscribe to my channel, press the notifications, and also don't forget to like. Woo! I have 0 subscribers right now. Well, as I'm looking, I think. I can look. I bet I don't know what to do. That's my description. Do I have any subscribers? Actually, I can just check my hair. That is not my picture. Crazy in a minute. Anyway. I can't find out how many subs I have. I did not create a playlist. Anyways, so apart from this one, she is an amazing YouTuber though. You should definitely go check her out. Anyways, I want to show my friends who like. So Mia's my best friend and Jamie's her brother, and they're the people who have like helped me and stuff. So Mia Harlow, smash the subscribe button, like button. You don't have to do this. This one is optional for the giveaway, but I really would love you to do this. This would give you a boost, which would make me put your name on there. About if you did for one of them, that would be one extra name, and then if you did the other one, you would get another one. So you would probably get 3 if you subscribe to my channel, their channel, their channel, and their channel. So 4 you could get them. 4 times your name. Dang.
Come here.
Anyway, they're really good. So Jamie is her brother, and yeah, and he loves Five Nights at Freddy's. So yeah, you'll see quite a lot of Five Nights at Freddy's. My best friend Mia, well, she had a video before, but I do not know where it went, or she doesn't know. But anyways, she loves everything and she loves like girly stuff and everything. So yeah, that would help you up to win it a bit and stuff. Anyways, if you can't subscribe, you're one of those people who have to sign in. I'm really sorry. You'll still be entered. You'll still be entered, don't worry. You just have to tell me you can't sign in. But that doesn't mean, oh, I'll just use it against her. And I'll be able to tell when you're lying or not. Because I can tell my best friend, well, like, sometimes people trick me. Not always my best friend. Sometimes other people. Nah, it doesn't matter. But they still trick me, and I don't like being tricked. And it's because it's sad. Oh my, somebody's at my den. Oh, let me say hi. Hi. Oh, this kind of interrupted my video, but it's fine. I don't mind being interrupted in the middle of the video. I wonder what they're doing here. Are they gonna ignore me? How could this happen to me? Anyways, I'm not gonna get into singing now. I'm just gonna continue with the video, and yeah. And I will be giving extra stuff to like non-members and members. I'll be like, so once you've won something, I will be removing your name from the spinning wheel. No, I'll keep your name there, but like, if you do win again, then sadly you can only win once. I'm really sorry. If you win, like, say, I don't know, say once you won Jelly Tail, but then you won again on Jelly Feet shoes, well then I'm really sorry. Hi. I should probably have locked my din. What the heck? Why is there a dancing koala in the middle of my studio? How could this happen to me? Oh well, I'll just tell them after. It doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And if you comment your favorite food, you may have a chance of the one I'm thinking of, well, my favorite food, or your favorite food. I'll accept any. You may win in a chance to win something. I'm not gonna give any hints or anything, but you may have a chance to win something. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for your appreciation. Well, I don't really have any because I don't think I have any subscribers, but